Hi guys, so truth is we forgot to do an intro, to be honest, last weekend, but we actually started putting in the black interior into my Audi. So as you'll see in the video, it's like a horrible grey creamy sort of colour, and it was just horrible. So we're actually going to start modifying the Audi soon, because I've had it for 6 months and I'm so bored of having a standard car. I haven't had a standard car for that long. Normally something would have gone on it by now, whether it be wheels or I don't know. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and this is what we did last weekend. So this is the interior that we've got. So we've got the black half leather and suede, which is so much better than the cream. You can see in here, like, it is literally, it's horrible. And Bailey's trying to get in. So yeah, most of the black interior is here. So we've got the glove box over there, got the sort of centre console there, got the carpet. We haven't got everything yet. This is just the start of it. We still need to get little bits and bobs really, so it's not all here. Obviously missing the front seats as well. Haven't managed to find them yet, but as soon as we do, they'll be going in. Ew, look at that. So the Audi literally looks so much better with the black interior, and again, as you saw, we haven't got everything for it yet, so we still need to get the front seats, we still need to get like the pillars, the window pillars, rear door cards and everything, but it's made a hell of a difference already, so we just need to find everything else and crack on and do that.
So if you want to stay up to date with all the upcoming things, mods, maintenance, everything on the cars, then like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next week. Bye!